Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for many document scanner users. The PowerHood 24V AC-DC adapter, specifically designed for a range of Xerox DocuMate sheet-fed scanners. If you own a Xerox DocuMate 3125, 3115, 3120, 515, or models like the XDM5155DWU, XDM3120U, XDM31255MWU, or XDM31155MWU, this power supply cord charger is engineered to be a perfect fit, whether you're replacing a lost adapter or simply seeking a reliable backup. This adapter delivers a stable DC 24V output, which is precisely what these Xerox scanners require to operate efficiently. Its input voltage range is AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz, making it suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter. The connector size is a standard barrel tip, and it's always a good idea to cross-reference the pictures provided with your original adapter to ensure a perfect match. What truly sets this PowerHood adapter apart are its features and the brand's focus on reliability. It boasts low interference and noise, which is crucial for sensitive electronic devices like scanners, ensuring a clean power signal that won't disrupt your scanning process or introduce unwanted electrical hum. The advanced technology and high-quality components used in its construction contribute to its overall high efficiency and reliability, meaning it's built to last and perform consistently. Safety is another paramount concern addressed by PowerHood. This adapter has undergone extensive testing to provide comprehensive protection for your devices. It incorporates multiple safety mechanisms, including overcharging protection, which prevents damage to your scanner's internal components from excessive power. Overheating protection ensures the adapter itself doesn't become a hazard, while overvoltage protection guards against power surges. Furthermore, short-circuit protection offers an additional layer of security, preventing electrical damage in case of an unexpected fault. These features collectively ensure that your valuable Xerox DocuMate scanner remains safe and operates efficiently, giving users significant peace of mind. The brand, PowerHood, also stands behind its product with a solid warranty. They offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, allowing users to try the adapter with confidence. Additionally, a 30-day exchange service is provided should any issues arise. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is further highlighted by their promise to reply to any questions within 24 hours, which is a reassuring aspect for any online purchase. In summary, for anyone in need of a replacement or an upgrade for their Xerox DocuMate scanner's power supply, this PowerHood 24V AC-DC adapter presents itself as a highly capable and trustworthy option. Its precise compatibility, robust safety features, and commitment to quality make it a smart investment for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your document scanner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.